This is just a short video. But this is how to draw your friend. If your friend's on survival and you're the owner of the thing, fly and then voila. But he will take damage. And this mod, the TNT mod. Because of the creeper, you can make a lot of traps. It says like this. It sends a player near here. So if you go near the TNT, it will explode. It's the best trap ever. That's how to draw your friend. What the hell? Why does this look like a bridge? I'ma copy this like sack, seed, and then find this thing. So the sun is a deadly laser. I don't ask what what's that? If you want a ball, it's toolkit.
Pagka may sumpong kayo, ganun mo lang maririnig ka sa kabila. Kaya magbuhat naman nun, hindi na nauwi si Hill dito. Siguro hindi mo nasabi kay hindi kasi hindi na rin. Kaya ayaw nila akong patulogin na mag-isa sa kwarto eh. Dito lang dahil ako. Ito na lang ang pinagkikyagan ko. Tandulat sila sa baba. Yung nalang kikilos ako. Oh, nanay, saan ka pupunta? Kakaagad eh. Kasi pagka yung... Kasi para akong bata. Bahay ako. Parang ang kapit-kapit na lang sa kawan. Baba ako.
Also, I added some texture packs.
Nakasinakasin sa kawan ko eh.
Apple.
Ayaw na ako. Pupunta rin ako sa kumeta. Magpapalit din ako.
I got some free apple. Don't ask what that is. Okay. Yeah, played with this mod a couple of times now. You should download it in the Minecraft Marketplace. It's free. I won't link an ad to it. Just go here. Like that. Like here. Just go to the Marketplace. Now find the add-ons. Yeah, there's the add-ons. Like there, just TNT. I'll go here. Go to mine coins. Set it to free. Voila, and you have it. Just like that. It's free. Another free. I'm gonna give this a 5. That's a good. That's kinda. This is like what the frick? Oh, It's free, and also subscribe to Minecraft so you know what's coming next to the Minecraft Bedrock or Java Edition. Then voila. Also, I play Among Us with my friend. If you have an account to Among Us, you can add us. See ya. See you in the next short or video.